beautiful Southern California. On tonight's show, season 2. Let's talk about it. There it is. Let's talk about it. This is like a flight I just did. Here's a collection of flights that I just did. There's a little gap. It'll never be there again. It's already changed. Today's Monday. It's done. And I can't see a freaking thing. What are we looking at here? Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, combo. Give me at least two points for that. There you go. This is one pack. Just one little baby pack. This is the 5.5 Project 399 stall. Yes. Low. Yep. Looks like a video game. Come on. 1 point. Yep. That's pretty good. Okay. Can't see nothing. This is a night operation. Yeah, we're just gonna do a bunch of videos down the road. Call it season 2. Yes, knife edge. Nice. We have a bit of speed right here. Look at that. Bit of speed. Beautiful. I'm sorry. A little bit hard on the throttle. Yes, sure. A couple left turns. I'm not doing rights. Mixing it up. That would have been better as a wall slide. Sure, whatever. Boom. But that's clean. And of course, you know what we do. And we no. And we crash. Search hashtag Hola Chillin'. I know you wanted to see it, so if you're still here, check it out. I gotta go back because Bubby made such a good video that this video is now an antique. So literally turn this into a cassette. I feel like I went out there though, put my own verse down. Look at it. I'm backwards in time. Pitch break. Reveal. Dun 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 dun. Here's a palm tree. Popping my peas. This is a palm tree. Oh. This is the 5.5. These are all the 5.5. Well, not all of them. Bubby flew across the street. Look at that hover. Look at that glide. Ready? I'll just give it to you. I showed up. I did one pack. And that's what happened. You remember this. This is full speed, though. Regular speed. Reveal. Man, this is my 6th pack or something like that. I didn't want to just ruin it. I had such a good set of flights all day. Very little. I hit some drywall. That was about it. I changed like 2 sets of props. That was it. That place is amazing. This is the Maiden of the 6 inch. The Badger. This actually has Jaws rates in it. So some of the shots are wobbly. I'm trying to figure it out. That was clean. I mean, like, what's crazy about the 6 inch is the throttle. Look at that. 10%, 30% recovery. It's insane. It just hovers. It's beautiful. This is the 5 inch. I call it the beautiful blue. Boom. Oh, I can't wait to get some more time on this thing. Look how fast this thing is. It's just amazing. This was a giveaway. Then the winner went digital, so they gave it to me. I put Crossfire in it. Boom. And now it's alive. Yeah, this thing's so fast. And this is a little bit more of the 6 inch. Same flight. It's the Maiden. And it looks good. And my boy was over there. He's all like, don't do it. Look, there's a gap right there. There's a hole. Where? Oh, it's right there. Oh, I see it. Okay, look at. Don't touch the ground, though. 16% throttle, 13. He's all like, maybe you need to warm up a little bit. I'm like, let me see. Hold on a second. Let me see. Yes, because I'm used to the 399s. Boom. Look how much hang time you have. That was like 1999 BMX tricks right there. A little tappy tap. You gotta tap it once. Just say hi. Look how much flow. 11%. I'm not used to it yet, but that was pretty close. Response. Boom. Yes. Yes. Okay. See the wobble? That was dope. That's a highlight reel right there. Snappy, snappy. And it's like a 360 roll. It's not like a oof. Yeah, get it. Pitch brake. Up and over. Don't hit the concrete. Yeah, this is pretty good. I didn't want to do a flip in this here with this machine. I didn't want to hurt it. Even though at the very end, you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna crash it. A little over rotated, sure, whatever. We're on analog. This is, you might not want to watch this, whatever. Here we go. I can see it. I'm not used to the rate, but whatever. Check me out on Instagram. It's Ola Chillin, HOLAACCHILLIN. I got videos. I got pictures. I got reels. Look at this. What?
What?